put something on and just feel like you've owned it for years? This black dress from Gothic did that for me, and that's GTHIC. They are a company that sells a lot of different Gothic clothing and accessories. And today I'm going to show you this dress that I got from them. From the second I slipped it on, it felt like a delicate memory from the past. I feel like I was born to have this dress on. It's elegant, it's romantic, it's the kind of dark feminine style I've always loved, with just a little more softness and a whole lot of comfort. There's no stiff fabric, just smooth, breathable material that flows when you move. I'm in my 40s and I want clothes that honor where I am in life. Pieces that feel elevated but effortless. This dress from Gothic doesn't try too hard. It flatters without showing too much. It hugs where it should and lets the rest breathe. Whether you're dressing up for an event or it's a regular Tuesday, this one fits the moment. I know many of you, especially those of us that appreciate classic beauty with a hint of edge, have been looking for exactly this dress. It's Gothic but graceful, modest but memorable, and honestly, this dress might be your favorite before you even buy it. And if you'd like to take a closer look, there is a link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your time. I hope you have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.